I saw that.
Keep an eye. Oh, thunder.
It was in a road.
Yeah. I was the first
We're
one.
going in. We're going over there. Where was it? I think it was in the road. I think it was in the road.
Oh, I think I got it.
saw that.
I think I got it because I was watching it.
I caught that. I caught a lightning strike. I'm not scared
Is
now.
that a frontal cloud?
Or what? I'm
Marley?
trying to be scared from tormenta.
I'm trying to find a frontal cloud I think a cloud hit it. I think it was cold. Two of the clouds are cold and they hit each other. That made a thunderstorm because
Cloud